Yeah.
Keep smiling in this bitch.
360 in this shit. Tell them it's King Whistle. I'm so official. I'm so fucking deadly like a motherfucking pistol. I'm on this shit. I'm really killing, moving out of bricks. Do this shit, flipping, and I'm getting exclusive on this good shit. Moving fast, moving smooth, and I got it. And you already know I'm killing all this shit. This 360. Y'all niggas gotta feel me. If not that heat coming for you, I'm a young deal 5 nigga with them guns. I swear they got a lot of fun. Really gon' pack, really got the shit, man. I swear I got your hat. Do this shit, man. I knock your ass back. Now you gotta fix that, motherfucking cap. Wrong ass nigga, getting cash, never getting fat. Always getting all this young cash. About the fucking trash, I'ma have a fucking blast. I'm chillin' with my nigga, he on the side. We do this shit, we provide. You already know we young, we never gotta hide. Tell them about our motherfucking pride.
Tell them about our pride. I'ma tell them about our life. We do our thing, nigga. We just stay getting high. We do not know why, but we just like to be fucking high, higher than the sky. These niggas asking us how and high, why, and nigga, you can't chill with fucking us. You niggas ain't no king, so you can't whistle, bro. You know we do our thing like a king whistler. You know we do our thing. Shit, shoot his ass. I ain't talking about the camera. You better fucking scare your bro. Hit your ass or have your ass looking very average or leverage. A nigga, you can't stand tall. You ain't standing tall like no fucking wall. And hit your ass. Hit your ass. Mop you off the fucking floor. Oh, why you going crazy? Said, keep smiling in this bitch. Okay, man. Don't talk the said, cause he over here, he sleeping in his fucking bed. Keep smiling, got him scared. You know we in this bitch, man. You know we really chillin', man. We got a king whistle, so these bitches can't hear us. Come over here, stand in fucking line. Bitch, I blow it one time, how these bitches really dying, really crying. Ooh, sad, can I get an autograph? You know I do this shit. Ooh, here you go, let me hit it on your ass. Let me put it on your ass, and then when you walk off, let me smack it. Fuck it.
Let me smack it, let me get it, let me have it. You already know I'm trying to fucking slap it. I'm trying to get this shit, I'm trying to make this shit so fucking tragic. Do the magic, use this shit, never fucking slapping. Got this guns, I'm a young nigga, I swear this shit be clapping. I'm on this shit, I'm snapping on this beat. Boom boom clap, on the amount of P, I'm really getting here. You gotta hear me really clear. I'm coming near with that shit that has you fear. You already know I'm in the camera, I'm really getting seen clear. These niggas don't want it, I'm a king. I got that fucking whistle and I got it in between. You already know I'm a young nigga with some good dreams. Tryna ball with my niggas, the 2-man team. We got this handicap, I swear we got the cash. These niggas don't want it, I swear I get his ass killed. I do this shit for the fucking thrill, my nigga do it like fucking drills. You already know we gone off the fucking pill. Yeah, we tryna get the money, tryna chill, tryna go to the top like a motherfucking hill. Pass that shit every day, get this shit flipped.
Get this shit flipped, I'ma get this shit healed. You know I kill it, I'ma sell it, cause this shit fucking blowing. It got me going, I'm passing to the next nigga and see if he can take it. Cause this shit right here gon' have you fucking shaking, have you fucking waiting, thinking you seeing Satan, but you ain't. Nigga, swear to God, I put this crack to your fucking face. Have you sniffing, have you going, have you can't even fucking breathe. I swear to God, I do it in. Man, I'm shooting all these 3, pushing all these 3. Got tired of smoking trees, so we start smoking green. It's the same shit, but shit, I still be smoking leaves. Same shit.
Green like the money we blow, nigga.
Gone.